Hello everyone. In today's tutorial on Canva, we'll be using free tools to create this custom frame for Canva. Now to do this, I've got two today. This is a silhouette of a lady and this is a text. So let's start with the silhouette of the lady. So let's add a page. Okay, here we are. Now we can look for a silhouette. As you see, I've already done this earlier, but let's go through it together. So you type in face silhouette as I've done here. Okay. You enter and you come up with a few. Choose graphics. A lot of it, if you can see the crown, is a pro version. So but what we are doing today is going to be all with free tools, right? And free Canva access as well. So we choose this silhouette. Okay, it has to be black so that it is easier to make it into a frame. So you enlarge it to however you want it. So now that it's there, now we've got to download this. Do not remove background in case you have a pro. Just go up to share, then you go to download. Now this is page 5. So you go here, you click it, and then you go down to page 5. Okay, you take page 5, click done, click download. Now this will be downloading here. Next, you go to a free tool called Photopea. This is one I did earlier, so we'll just remove that. So you go to www.photopea.com and you open from computer. Now just now we downloaded that from Canva, remember? So we just take that. You can either upload it, go to file and open, or you just take this and drop it down here. So this is now open. Now we've got to remove this black version, this black color to make it into a frame. So what we do is we go up to select, click color range, and then when you click color range, what happens is a copy of this comes out. Now you click where you want the color to be removed. So in this case, the black here. So you click the black, and this part here becomes white. So then you click OK. After you click OK, you hit the delete button on your computer, laptop. You just hit delete, and what happens is this goes, okay, becomes transparent. So now you go back to file, you go to export as PNG, right? And then you just save it. Now it's downloaded here. So you go back to Canva, okay? Now this was what we did just now, right? So we can, for now, we can just delete that. And remember, we downloaded the version from Photopea. So you take that and you just put it up here. Now the other way is to go to download here over on your left, upload a media, and you can upload it. Okay, that's another way of doing it. Now I've just done it this way. Okay, so now you can't really see anything here, can you? But let me assure you it's there. So what you do now is let's go to background. Let's choose a background, a free background. Um, Perhaps this one. This is nice and colorful. Now, because it's on the background, when you click on it, it fills the whole background. So now can you see the silhouette here? It's a frame. So what you do is you right click it and you detach the image from background. So you detach it. So what you do is you can just enlarge it a bit, send it behind. Now you can either right click and send it backward, or you can go to position and send it backward. Now when you send it backward, there it is. You can see it, right? So what you can do is you can move it around. Maybe you want it here, you want a bit more yellow, wherever it is. Then what you do is you click this one here, you bring it in so that you don't see the background. You only see it in the frame. And now what you do is you select it all, okay? And then you group it. So when you group it, what happens is you can move it around. You can do whatever you want, and it'll be there. Okay, that's one version. So you've done a custom frame. Now the other version is, let's say you want to do some text. Okay, so for example, this one. Let me just remove this. Okay, I'll remove that as well. So let's put in a text. Add a heading. Maybe this time we'll say, let's say, what shall we do? Fantasy. Okay, it has to be in black, so that's easier, and you get something that's thick. That's, in this case, is Open Sans Extra Bold. That's right. So, okay, and that's there. So the same procedure like what we did. You go to share up here, you go download. So this time is page 6, word fantasy. So go to page 6, done, download it. Okay. And once it's downloaded, it'll come down here. There it is, it's there. Okay, so now let's go back to Photo P. Now we had this before, right? You can just remove that, and then the one that was just downloaded, you bring it back here and you drop it. Once you drop it, there it is. So remember, just as the previous time, you go to select, you go to color range, and when you click color range, this comes out, so like a copy. So you want the black to be transparent, the word fantasy to be transparent. So you click on it anywhere there, and this becomes white there. So you click OK, and then you can see these dotted versions here, right? So you click delete, so it removes that. Now, don't do anything else. You just go to File, go to Export as PNG, and you save it. You save it, it comes down here. So now you go back to Canva. Okay, remember this was here, the one that we did. You just delete it. Now this is the one that was made transparent on Photo P. So you take it and you drop it in here. So again, let's take this off. You see, it looks transparent, right? So again, you can go to backgrounds, and maybe this time you want just that, you know, and you can see it. Or maybe you decide, no, that's not what you want. So you remove that, and because it can't be seen clearly, let's have maybe this one. And what you can do, right click it, detach image from background. Okay, just make it a bit bigger, send it backward, and then you can just move it around. Maybe that's how you want it. Okay? You don't have to move the background, you can move this. So as before, you just smaller here and here, and then you just move it around. Maybe you want it like that. Okay, then you do this, you bring it behind, so it's hidden by that white, right? Doesn't matter what size it is right now. So you select all of it and you group, and then you can move it around, and you can enlarge it. Okay, you can flip it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, let's bring it down back. And there it is. This is your custom frame for text, and this one was for the silhouette. As long as it's black, it's very easy to delete that and put in whatever you want. Yeah, I hope you liked it. This is the tutorial for today using free tools. I'll see you in the next one.